Stay connected to your breath. So as you breathe in and breathe out, just watch that breath as it moves through the body. Use the breath to connect your attention to your body, to connect your availability, your presence to the body and whatever is happening in the body just now. So now as you connect to the body and the breath moving through the body may tell you how you need to sit so that she feels rested, comfortable and able to do whatever it is the practice is. So if you feel like lying down and you won't go to sleep, for some of you it may be early morning, for some of you it may be late night, so whatever that is, so that you don't go off to sleep. But at the same time, if you feel like lying down, if you have a lower back issue, then do that. If you feel like taking back support, do that. All that is a way of acknowledging what is happening in the body. Now, as you breathe in and out, allow this breath to take you to the essence and core of you, which is called Shakti. We all have associations as soon as we hear the word. So allow yourself to take your body, your breath, your being, all of that to this essential core of you called the Shakti. The Shakti is the feminine force within you. This feminine force is the latent energy, the throbbing energy that is in everything. So she can be called Prakriti sometimes, she can be called Universal Mother. As you inhale, allow the breath to take you to that core of you, and as you exhale, rest there. Now first, as you breathe in now, take all your attention to this bottom 1/3 of your body and allow yourself to go to your power. This place holds Shakti as the power of your first intent, as the power of your desire, as the power of whatever it is that arises as your passion. There is an awakening here to do something, to be something. And that awakening is very necessary. That's the creative force, the first seed that allows for action. That awakening needs to be there. That passion, desire, it's a power. Allow her to awaken in you as that power. Inhale into this area and exhale from there, energizing that. Hold the prayer that she awaken in you as this power. Is there an image or a memory or a color or an emotion or a situation, whatever it is that is coming up as this power for you? Something you want to do, something you want to try. Don't judge it, don't comment on it, don't analyze it. Simply allow it to arise and know that whatever it is that is arising is today Shakti's prasadam. You take a couple of normal breaths now, just easy breaths, to transition to the next. So the same Shakti who is arising as your power, now in your torso area, in that heart area, she will arise as your creative action, as the support for action, as your resources. She will arise here as abundance. She will arise here as prosperity. She will also arise here as unending compassion. So as you inhale, take your breath, take your energy, attention to this torso and heart area. Exhale from here, allowing for Shakti to arise here as your Kriya, as your action, as your abundance. Breathe in and out from that metaphor, from that image, however she is choosing to come here at this point. Take a few easy breaths, normal breaths. And you're going to transition now to the top 1/3 part of your body. Stay in that awareness, okay? Now as you inhale into this, your head, face, neck area, and exhale from there, allowing Shakti to arise here, awaken your knowledge, your search, your art, your seeking, and all your resources for your action. Creative resources. This is all the jnana that's there in you. that can come to support your seeking, support your search. This is the Shakti that will come when everything is uncertain on the outside. When we say, I don't know, now what? And no outside solution works. No outside fixes are working. And at that time, this Shakti will arise. Because she is in you. She knows the path, the navigation, not from outside but from inside. She will intuitively know where to go, what to do, how to be. Allow this Shakti to arise now. See what color, what image, what memory, how is she choosing to come in you right now. And as you breathe in and out, hold her however she's choosing to come. Allow for all thought to subside, just allow her to come in you. Breathe in and out consciously. Now as you take a few normal breaths, easy breaths, just keep your awareness in your entire body now and see how Shakti, that Devi, can arise as your Ichha, as your passion, as your Kriya, as your action, and as your Jnana, as your creativity and knowledge and wisdom. She is your power, she is your compassion and abundance, she is your wisdom and your creativity. Stay connected to your breath. Allow for the vibrations to settle down. Allow for her to fully infuse your being with her strength, with her compassion, with her power, with her love. And stay in the awareness that she is always holding. And she is breathing through you. She is speaking through you. She is acting through you.